So here we will look into some of the terminology that would help us understand better into our journey of learning database. Now this term and terminology is very common into IT world and we often use in our curriculum as well. So I hope you all are making notes on that. That will really help you out. Let us see some of the common terms that we will refer in future. Alright. Server. A server means a machine having processors, RAM, disk. Database server means database software RDBMS installed on that machine. Node box is again referred to database server or application server. Database host, it consists of again a database server. Example, if we say database host, it's a combination of process, memory, hard disk. For example, 16 processor, 156 GB RAM, 10 TB hard disk. Oracle Home. If we say Oracle Home, what does that mean? It means location where Oracle software files are installed. We have Oracle _home. What does that mean? Variable, an environment variable which stores the absolute path, a complete directory where the software is installed, where Oracle RDBMS software files are installed. Now, what are Oracle binaries? Oracle softwares or the location where the software is installed is also called as Oracle binaries. Now, let us understand. Database or DB refer to same. A set of physical files store data and metadata. From the diagram we will understand. Let's say this is a database which is having data files. In that it also has Oracle Home, that is the software binaries of RDBMS. Then under that is operating system. Again it is a file. It's a collection of program and file. Then under that you have hardware which have kernel operatings, and hardware is actually where your disk, RAM, everything is physical. Alright, in the next session we will understand what is Oracle instance and the other terminology in that. In this session, let us have a look on what is Oracle instance. Now understand. If you know what is Oracle instance clearly, without doubt, understanding Oracle, working, architecture, maintenance, and everything else would be very easy for you. So this is very crucial subject and it's very interesting though. So let us understand with very basic up to what Oracle instance is. A program based on memory area and background processes. Instance combine of memory area and background process. It is used to interact or access Oracle database. Runs under Oracle Home. If instance is running, database can be accessed. That means if the instance is down, you cannot access database. Let us understand with the help of diagram. Now, we have operating system, server, we have Oracle Home, that means Oracle binaries are installed, and we have two databases, database dev, database test, running in the same server. With database dev, we have data files, we have Oracle Home files, and we have test files. Till here it's clear. But we also have instance. We have instance of dev running, we have instance of test running. Now, as from this, we understood what is instance. It's a memory area and a background process. So, the instance is a program with memory and background processes. Alright. This is very important. One-to-one relationship between instance and database. We are talking about not multi-tenant or any advanced architecture. We are talking about single tenant, normal database. Alright, now single instance database architecture. what it is. It has dev. Dev has its own instance. We have prod. Prod has its own instance. So it's one-to-one relationship with the database. Now, just to illustrate what is the difference between single instance and cluster instance. Now, cluster database architecture, which we call RAC, a real application cluster. This is a feature in Oracle database that comes under high availability. So this setup is high availability. Let us understand how. You have prod database. Prod database has instance prod 1. Here we have a cluster of instance. That means we have instance for prod 1, 2, 3, so on. That means single database can have multiple instances. In that way, if one instance is down, we can still access the database and use it as normal with the other available instances. And once this is again up, it will join the cluster automatically. This is how a high availability is achieved. Meet you in next lesson that we will deep dive into one scenario which is very important, and I would cover that in next upcoming topic. Till then, take care. Bye.